So this is love. So this is love.
What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. So if this is your first time here, you're welcome. My name is Enna, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make your own skin glowing oil at home using 2 ingredients I'm probably sure you have in your kitchen right about now. On this channel I try to let you know that it's very possible to be a stay-at-home mom or wife and still be able to achieve your dreams when it comes to your finances, when it comes to your career, when it comes to raising your kids and everything in between, and oh, not forgetting your beauty as well. So without further ado, come on, let's get into my kitchen. All right, so we're going to start off with our recipe. In this bowl here I have some chopped pawpaw. This is ripe pawpaw which I have just chopped, and I'm taking this device, it's called a potato masher, and I'm just going to be mashing the potato did I say potato? I'm just going to be mashing the pawpaw until we get a pulp. If you don't have this masher, you can use a blender, but when you're using the blender, please remember not to add any water to it. Now after this has been blended, we are going to be adding some 2 cups of coconut oil into our pawpaw pulp, coconut oil preferably, and then I'm going to transfer this into a clean saucepan, and then we put this on gentle heat on fire. Remember, it's slow, gentle heat. We are going to be cooking this or frying this for 30 minutes. Remember to always stir this periodically so that it doesn't burn underneath this. And after 30 minutes, we can see that a lot of the water has come out of it. And I'm going to take it off the fire now and allow it to cool, and then we move to the next step. Our next step now is to transfer the oil and the pulp through a sieve or a strainer so that we can, divide the oil from the pulp. So we're going to be fetching it little by little through the strainer, press it, and then get the oil in the base. So this is the oil that I've collected inside my beaker. I'm just stirring it, and I'm going to be adding 2 extra ingredients. I'm adding some vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is amazing as an antioxidant. It will help to prevent our oil from going rancid or from spoiling early, and then it has amazing skin benefits as well. I usually just use the lid, which I believe is about 20 ml, and I add it to the oil, and then I'm adding some ylang ylang essential oil. This is very optional. I add it because I really don't like the smell of coconut oil, so when I add it, it's going to give it a nice fragrance as well as its own benefit. And then after everything has cooled out, I'm just going to be transferring it into a clean bottle that I have. Since this is an oil, I would advise that you pour it into a bottle that has a pump or an opening like this so that you can easily pour the oil. And this is our oil. It is ready to use. It has cooled down and you can use it immediately. So this is what it looks like when you rub it all over your hands. You are going to get enough hydration, that instant glow. But let me tell you, the glow is real as you keep using this. This is our oil which has been made, and when you are done making this oil, one thing you are going to notice is that you're going to see a separation between the oil and then the pawpaw. It is basically the fiber of the pawpaw that is separating from the oil. And don't worry, your oil is not spoiled. It is still very potent. I made this oil so simple in a way that we didn't have to use so many techie chemical binders to combine the oil and then the pawpaw fruit. Otherwise, those who don't have access to ingredients like binders or all those things that can help bind liquid and solid together, they're going to find it difficult making this oil. But that is not my intention. I want this to be something so simple that you can whip up anytime you need it or anytime you run out, and you are going to enjoy using it. So when you see that your oil and then your pawpaw fiber has separated, all you need to do is to just shake it and then use it, and it's going to work just as well. Now, if it's someone like me, when it comes to using natural ingredients or natural fruits to lighten your skin or to get that glowy skin that you want, carrot doesn't really work well for me, but pawpaw seems to make a difference. When I used to make my soaps, I always used to make a lot of pawpaw oatmeal soap because pawpaw really works very well for my skin, but carrot doesn't really do a good job when it comes to brightening or lightening my skin tone. Now, this particular skin oil I beg you, it is not just for fair people. Any complexion can use it. Fair, caramel, dark tone, you can use it. It is just to boost up natural complexion and also other anti-aging benefits you're going to be getting from using the pawpaw and oil combination. I will not advise that you make this oil in such a large quantity since you're not going to be selling it. You just make it as and when you need it because the ingredients are really accessible and readily available in most markets. Anytime you need it, just get your ingredients and then spend 1 hour out of your day just to prep, make, and then clean up the place after you finish making your oil. You can use this daytime and nighttime. It's going to work amazingly for you. Now, what are the benefits of pawpaw? Pawpaw is rich in antioxidants like vitamin A, vitamin E, and beta carotene that can help to fight against the signs of aging. It helps to boost collagen and elastin fibers, which can fight against the appearance of wrinkles around your eyes, around your hands. And then the collagen inside the pawpaw helps to prevent your skin from sagging. You know, as we are aging, our skin tends to sag. It's not as firm, it's not as supple, it's not as toned as it used to in our youthful days. So when you incorporate pawpaw into your skincare routine, it helps boost the collagen production in your fibers to prevent sagging and all the signs of aging. Pawpaw is also rich in an enzyme called papain, which helps with gentle exfoliation and fights against blemishes. So if you have any blemish on your skin, or if there's any kind of extra pigmentation on your skin, the papain found inside pawpaw can help to exfoliate and then do away with the blemishes on your skin. Pawpaw is also amazing when it comes to glowing up your skin because when it comes to natural products that is amazing for skin glow up, we always mention pawpaw, carrot, cucumber, lemon. You know, all they have amazing lightening effects inside them. It is not a whitening thing that is going to bleach you. So if you want an oil that is going to bleach you, I'm sorry, it's not a bleaching oil, it's just a glowing oil to give your natural skin tone that glow up, that, you know, radiance that you're actually looking for. Moving on to the benefits of coconut oil. Coconut oil has so many benefits. I'm going to talk about 3 most important ones. Number 1, coconut oil is very good when it comes to locking in moisture in your skin. It's amazing for those with dry skin or mature skin because it has this tendency that when you apply the coconut oil on your skin, it tends to create a barrier on your skin that is going to lock in the moisture or the natural moisture that you have in your skin fiber. By locking in the natural moisture that you already have in your skin is not going to be losing moisture to the environment. Thereby, your skin is going to retain its hydration and not be dry. If you're somebody that has really dry skin, coconut oil can help to lock in the existing moisture that you already have in your skin, so you're not going to lose more moisture into the environment. Coconut oil is also very easily absorbable into your skin. For instance, when you apply it onto your skin, it doesn't take too long for it to be absorbed into your skin. If you compare it to other oils like castor oils and the olive oils, which are very heavy oils, coconut oil, it just takes a few rubs here and there, and then it is easily absorbed into your skin. It doesn't leave your skin looking too shiny, too greasy, too overly oiled. Your skin just absorbs it, takes it, and then does all that it needs to do immediately. So it also has very good anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to soothe your skin. If your skin is experiencing some irritation or some redness, coconut oil is amazing when it comes to soothing irritated skin. And with continuous usage of coconut oil, it can help to eventually reduce the appearance of stretch marks on your skin because of how it's locked in the moisture. Once your skin is well hydrated, it's well plumped up, blood is able to flow to where it's supposed to flow to, and it's able to get to where your part of where the part of your skin has been stretched and release all the cells, all the nutrients, all the things that it needs to release towards that stretched skin in order for your skin to, you know, rejuvenate itself and then eventually leads to the less appearance of your stretch marks. Because continuous usage of coconut oil can help to soften your skin, which will eventually lead to the reduction of these stretch marks as well as wrinkles, fine lines, or any dry flaky skin that you might be having. Now, there are a number of studies out there that suggest or that say that coconut oil has a tendency of clogging your pores, which means that when you use it on your face, there is the likelihood that it can block the pores in your skin, which can lead to acne or acne breakouts. There's also a school of thought out there that said that coconut oil is very good when it comes to treating acne and acne scars. So if you are not sure where you are standing, I'll advise you do not use it on your face. But if you're somebody that uses coconut oil on your face and it doesn't clog your pores, good for you. But if you are not sure and are willing to take the risk, you can also do that. But if you just want to be on the safe side, avoid using coconut oil on your face in order not to experience breakouts or acne scars or even eventually acne on your face. So I left the oil down for a few minutes, and this is the separation I'm talking about. I hope you all can see it. So this is the separation at the bottom here, and then the oil at the top. Just shake it up and use it whenever you need to use it. Take your time and apply it evenly all over your body. If you're avoiding your face, you can start from your neck all the way down and let it get to all the parts of your body that you need to use it. I will not suggest that you mix it with your already made, commercially made lotion. Just use it as it is, and you're going to enjoy the benefit of this lotion completely. If you want to see radiance in your skin, use this continuously every evening or morning and evening. And remember, when you are using this in the morning, if you are stepping out, don't forget to use your sunscreen or your sunblock after applying this all over your skin. And eventually within 2 weeks, you should start to see a reduction in the dark spots, in your pigmentation, and how your skin is going to just glow up just with the comfort of your home by using 2 ingredients. Now, bonus tip, I'll advise that when you're making this particular body oil, you should get some vitamin E capsules or vitamin E oil to add to the entire combination, because the vitamin E is also very, very rich in antioxidants that fight against age. Vitamin E is also amazing when it comes to the production of a beautiful glowing skin, and vitamin E is also good in terms that it's going to prevent the oil from going rancid or going bad quickly. This should not last you more than a month if you use this all the time, or more than 2 months, but you shouldn't keep this for more than 3 months in your wardrobe or in your cabinet or whatever. You should use this within 2 months, and then you make a new batch. It is better to have it freshly made, freshly applied on your skin, instead of keeping this for more than 3 months, 6 months. Well, you don't have to keep it for that long. After 2.5 months going to 3 months, you should discard of this and then start using a new one. But let me tell you, when you start using this and you see the benefit that it's giving to your skin, you are not going to have this for more than 1 month. You are going to be using this almost every evening, or even morning and evening, and it's going to be done before then. And when it is done, just go and get a repurchase of some Pawpaw and also some coconut oil, and then make this up in your kitchen, and you are going to love this. So I hope this has been beneficial for you. For anyone that is going on the glow up journey this year 2024, just by making homemade products that are free of all the toxins and chemicals that are found in commercially made products, and you're going to see the right benefits of using this particular product. Please share this video to anybody that is going to find this helpful. Like this video, leave a very nice comment, and if you haven't subscribed, please be sure to do that. And as always, I will see you in my next video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all later. Bye.